Welcome to Tech AI. I will guide you for app promotion through Google Ads. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to effectively promote your app and reach your target audience. Let's get started on boosting your app's visibility and downloads. So, let's dive in. I will show you the complete process step by step, from creating an account to publishing a campaign. By following all the steps, you can promote your app yourself and also create a Google Ads account. Make sure to watch the video until the end, as missing any part might make it difficult for you to create the account. Now we will start creating a Google Ads account. Go to the browser and type Google Ads. Click on the first Google Ads website. This is the Google Ads homepage. Click on Sign in or Start Now. We need to create a new Google Ads account, for which we will click on New Google Ads Account. Now you can directly create an ad campaign, but we will first complete the creation of a Google Ads account here. Click on Skip Campaign Creation. Provide some basic details, billing country, time zone, and currency, and click on the Continue. Confirm your account and payment setting. You can enter a promotion code when creating a new account. Google sends a promotion code via email. Now, create a payment profile. Two types of payment profiles, first organization and second individual. Now we have selected an individual payment profile. Enter your legal name and zip code. Payment profile is now successfully created. You will need to provide billing details to pay for your ad campaigns. Options include credit cards, debit cards, and bank accounts. Now, enter your card number and details. I enter the card details. Click on the Save Cards. Get personal guidance from a Google Ads expert via phone or messaging app. Then you can click on Yes and enter your phone number. Now I am clicking No. Click on Submit after filling in all the data. You have successfully created a Google Ads account. Now you can easily run your ads and promote your product or business. Now we will create a new campaign. In your Google Ads dashboard, click on the Campaigns tab on the left-hand side. Click the plus button to create a new campaign. Google Ads provides different campaign objectives such as driving sales, generating leads, increasing website traffic, improving brand awareness, or promoting a mobile app. Your choice will influence how Google optimizes your ads. Choose the goal of your campaign. For app promotion, select App Promotion. Choose between app installs to drive downloads and get new people to install your app. App engagement to engage existing users. App pre-registration, get new users to pre-register for your app before the launch. Select your mobile app platform, Android or iOS. I have chosen Android. Now, type your app name, package name, and app link. I am typing wallpaper. Select your app. Set your campaign name, Live Wallpaper, and press Continue. You will define your target audience. Select the locations, languages, and interests that best match your ideal users. You can also use advanced targeting options to narrow down your audience. You can select multiple languages. I am selecting all languages. You can also select an end date for how long you want the ad to run. Click on Next. Set your average daily budget. You can set the target cost per install as you wish, but below that, Google also suggests the average bid for this category. We recommend applying that suggested bid. Now go to the next page. Now, Google will verify that you are setting up the campaign yourself. To do this, you will need to verify an OTP sent to your registered phone number. Verification is completed. Now it's time to create your ad assets. Provide text, images, and videos. Google Ads will automatically test different combinations and display the best performing ads. Make sure to include compelling headlines, descriptions, and call-to-action phrases that encourage users to install your app. You need to write 5 headlines and include keywords related to your app. If you already have keywords, enter them. Otherwise, you can use the Keyword Planner to research keywords. I can also show you how to use the keyword planner if needed. Go to the Google Ads homepage and look at the left side. Click on Tools, and the first option is Planning. Now select Keyword Planner. Choose Discover New Keywords and type your keyword. Get results. Here you will find related keyword ideas. You can select multiple high search volume keywords. Additionally, it shows the monthly search volume for each keyword. You can also get keyword ideas from here and use them. I use Google Suggestions. Write a 90-character description with relevant keywords included. I'm picking Google Suggestions for the description. You can add 20 images, and Google will suggest related ones. Besides, you can use assets from online libraries or create your images and upload them according to Google Ads dimensions. Similarly, you can also add videos. You can either use videos from the library or upload your own video to YouTube and provide its link here. Here you may have noticed something. On the right side, you'll see a preview. Here, you can see how your ads will appear on different platforms. You can see how it will appear on Google Search and what format it will have on YouTube. And besides, you'll see how your app's ads will appear on the Google Play Store. All the details are right in front of you. Now we've almost completed everything. Let's go to the next page. Here you can see that we have completed all the steps one by one. Before you launch, review your campaign settings, targeting, and add assets to ensure everything is correct. Now, finally, we will publish the campaign. After publishing, the campaign will go through a review process by Google. Once reviewed, it will be launched live. We have successfully published our app campaign. Now, you can see the Google Ads homepage. Click on Overview, and then you can view your dashboard. Here, by clicking on Campaigns, you can see all your active and paused campaigns. After your campaign is live, don't forget to monitor its performance in the Google Ads dashboard. Here on the dashboard, you can view the data of your campaign. You can see how many clicks it has received, the number of impressions, the cost per click, CPC, and the total cost. You can easily access all this data. In addition, you can also view insights. If you want to run your ads on Facebook as well and would like me to make a video on Facebook ads, please let me know in the comments section. That's it for today's tutorial on running ads for app promotion in Google Ads. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.